Hi all, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the common mistakes by the candidates during the interview for sustainability and fresh ESG professional. As we know that many talented sustainability professionals fail interview not because they lack knowledge but because they fail to present it strategically. In this session, we will break down its critical mistakes and learn how to answer like a true ESG professional. In this lecture, data driven world, sustainability and ESG roles demand more than definitions, but they demand clarity, structure, and business understanding. So let's explore the common interview gaps that prevent fresh professionals from securing these roles. Sustainability interview are no longer theoretical discussions, but they are about risks, compliance, carbon metrics, and stakeholder value. This lecture will identify where candidates go wrong and how to respond with confidence and credibility. So let's begin the interview. Interview question number four is understanding ESG and sustainability frameworks. Interview may ask you what is difference between ESG and sustainability. Your model answer would be sustainability focuses on long-term environmental and social impacts, while ESG is a measurable framework used by investors to assess environmental, social, and governance risks. ESG converts sustainability goals into quantifiable, quantifiable indicators for reporting and decision making. The next question is regarding or about the practical application of LCA. What is LCA? I already recorded lecture on LCA, that life cycle assessment or life cycle analysis. So the interviewer may ask you that can you briefly explain how you would conduct a basic life cycle assessment, which is LCA. Your answer would be very straightforward and professional one. So how you will answer him or her? Your answer will be like, I would define the goal and scope, collect inventory data on materials and energy use, assess environmental impacts such as carbon emissions, and interpret results to identify hotspots for improvement. For example, in construction, cement typically contributes the highest CO2 emissions. Your answer will be very simple way and to the point. The next question may be what steps are involved in environmental impact assessment EIA? Your answer would be the process includes screening, scoping, baseline data collection, impact prediction, mitigation planning, public consultation, and environmental management planning. Compliance ensures the project meets regularity and environmental protection standards. Now, our next question may be regarding the data and carbon management. That how would you calculate a company's carbon footprint? Because currently, everywhere, the funding agencies they all are asking to companies that what are you doing on carbon footprints or carbon credits. So your answer for this question could be I would collect activity data such as fuel consumption and electricity use, apply emissions factors like scope 1, 2, and 3, and calculate total CO2 equivalent emissions. The results help identify reduction strategies and set science based targets. The next question is risk and stakeholder management. That interview may ask you, how does sustainability link with risk management? Your answer is sustainability reduces regulatory, reputational, operational, and climate related risks. Integrating ESG into decision making improves resilience, stakeholder trust, and long term financial performance. Now we have this last slide on why ESG, sustainability, and environment are interlinked. This is very important question. Even somehow we confuse on these three terms, that what are they are how they are interlinked. So here is we have explanation on that sustainability, ESG, and the environment are always connected because they focus on long term responsible growth. First, for the environment is the foundation. Without natural resources, no economy or society can survive. Number next, sustainability. Sustainability provides the vision of balancing environmental, social, and economic needs for future generations. And ESG turns that vision into measurable indicators and performance standards. Together, they help organizations manage risk, build trust, and create lasting value. In simple words, sustainability is the goal, the environment is the core, and ESG is the system that makes it measurable and accountable. So, hope you enjoyed the lecture. This is very important lecture. I suggest you have to go one by one step. And if you have any difficulty, you can ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching.